The following video will show you how to install the WaterDrop LT800P water filter on your refrigerator. Swing the old filter out slightly and grab the bottom of the old filter and turn counterclockwise until it releases. Install the new filter by turning the filter clockwise until it is fully locked in place. Reset the filter indicator light on your fridge. If you're not sure how to do this, please refer to the manufacturer's instruction manual. Dispense water, looking for a good flow rate. It's recommended to flush the new filter a few minutes to remove any trapped air or contaminants from the system. The WaterDrop LT800P fridge filter needs to be replaced every 6 months or 500 gallons to ensure clean drinking water at all times. Whichever comes first will vary based on water condition.